At long last, finally curved text in Canva, right? Creator Nation, what's going on? Welcome back to Monson Media, where we talk about tutorials, tech, and creativity. Now, if you're a Canva user, there were two things that you said often. I wish Canva had drop shadows, and I wish you could curve text in Canva. Now, it was a few months ago when Canva came out with the drop shadows for text effects. Now, I believe it was a few weeks ago where they dropped a new feature for text effects that enable you to curve your text with literally just a click of a button and adjusting some sliders. I really appreciate that Canva listens to their community because this was something that everybody was asking for. So let's jump right into Canva and take a look at how it works. So as you saw in the intro or the thumbnail, that I've created this using the new curved text feature. Starting with a new page, I'm just going to select a regular heading text here. And I'm going to call it curved text. And then once you go into your effects, you will see the curve option now. And right away you see that it curves on its own. So all you have to do is adjust this slider to adjust the look of the curve. Now you can also go into spacing here and use a slider to increase or decrease the spacing depending on, again, the type of look that you want. Now the way I made this was I created two different text boxes where I had the word finally curving at the top, and then I had this text box curve towards the bottom. So hey, let me know in the comments below if you knew about this feature. If you haven't, make sure to head over to canva.com and check it out for yourself.